Hello teachers, this experiment is to show you how to grow a sea fairies for Discovery Week 1 in the lively world. Okay, now previously we are preparing the fish, but this time we prepare sea fairies. Now let me describe few of the things that you have. Now you have this dropper. The main purpose for this dropper is to help you to aerate the water. Okay, aerate the water just to show to add oxygen inside the water. Okay, but you need to do this step after you able to grow the sea fairies. You have this spoon. This spoon is for you to collect all the ingredient over here into these two cups. Then you have a sticker. This is a sticker. You can take out the sticker and paste on this cover. Okay, now on this sticker it tells you the name of the experiment. At the same time it gives you the warning, because I'm afraid a student will drink this, or maybe the parents will. They thought this is water, they can drink this, so it's not for drinking. Okay, so now inside this set is you have all the ingredients to grow we call this sea fairies. I'll explain the things one by one. You have a beautiful stone over here, right? It's just for the decoration purpose. You have this bag of salt. Yeah, I suspect it's a salt for sea aquarium to create salinity. All right, for the water. You have food. You have the food. This is food for the sea monkeys when they grow. Last but not least, you have a bag of sea fairies egg. If I put closer to the camera, you can see it's very tiny, but inside over here, there is at least 100 over eggs inside this small bag. Alright, so now we prepare 2 cups for you. There's a reason for that. Okay, now I will start conducting the preparing the things that you need. Now the bag of nutrient over here, all these material we can split into 4 batch. Okay, 4 batch. Later I will explain why. So now for the first batch, which is the first cup, you just need to use a quarter. A quarter, I am expecting around just 1 spoon of this, maybe 1.5. Okay, for the other cup also 1.5. All right. Now after you add 1.5 into both cups, you still have plenty left over. Now this is for 3rd and 4th batch. Later I'll explain to you why. Now next, you have oxygen beads. Maybe I just add a couple of it. 2 stones on each cup. Okay. Alright, done. Alright. Now after you add the stone, then only you stir the cup until all the salt dissolve. Okay, until all the salt dissolve. Now, since you have these 2 batch of aquarium, now the first aquarium, we're going to straight away add the eggs. Okay, we're going to straight away add the eggs into this first batch. So like I said, this is hundreds over. You just need to put a few. I'm talking about just open up the bag, pass it back, just drop a bit, all right, inside this cup. Okay, then should be enough. Then quickly zip this back. Okay, quickly zip this back. Now when you zip, maybe you don't want to waste, maybe just drop a bit, then should be enough already. Those eggs that are at the rim over here. Okay, so you have plenty for the next batch. All right, now when you add the eggs inside, you can see some eggs is floating, some eggs drop. Is okay as long as it is not at the side of the aquarium. It's not stuck at the side of the aquarium, then it should be okay. When these eggs in contact with water, it will grow in 1 day. If you're lucky, 1 day you can see small creatures of sea monkeys will be swimming around in this cup. Now, the second batch, don't put any eggs, straight away close, and then straight away bring this back home. The reason is this salt water need to wait for 1 more day. Yeah, after 24 hours, then only you add another 1/4 amount of eggs inside this cup. Okay, just to compare which one is better. One is straight away put eggs, another one is after 1 day, let the salt dissolve in the water. After 1 day, then only put in the eggs. Okay, so now you have 2 cups, but you have remaining 2 more times, whereby I just use only a quarter, I mean a half of the salt. and half of the eggs, and also a quarter bag of the stone. Now the reason is because the sea monkey is easy to grow, but it couldn't last long. Okay, I try a few times, it can last for 3 to 5 days, then it will dead. Okay, so best, that's why the reason I came across, maybe the first time that I did, I add everything inside. I add every eggs inside the bag. Yeah, so I believe it's too crowded, all right, and they don't have enough oxygen, and then that's why all the sea monkey dead. You see, so now I split into half, so it's less crowded, all right. So whenever they grow, then only you add this because it's a feed inside. So after that, yes, you need to aerate the water, all right. Take a cup, take a water, then you try to aerate the water. Okay, aerate the water so that inside the water there's high amount of oxygen content. All right, so before you bring this back home, stick this, close this, and they can bring this back home. All right, you can put everything back over here. Okay, that's all from me. Have fun and try yourself. Bye bye.